100 awesome product ideas. A tape that enables clinicians to align and secure wound edges quickly and easily. A plunger that uses pressure of the carbonic acid to effortlessly unclog household drains. A device that removes snow from your roof without damaging your house and property. A 33-foot LED screen that provides 4K resolution and looks 10 times brighter than when using a standard projector. A system that covers the front surface of teeth to improve your appearance. A handheld inkjet printer. Robotic hands you can control by your feet and knees. A sheet that transforms any table into a giant trackpad. A backpack that repairs itself.
Wow.
A film for glass walls that obscures digital screens to outside view. A dive gear that enables you to dive up to 12-meter depth of water for 45 minutes without requiring air tanks. A tool that lets you collect 60 balls quickly and easily without straining your wrists, back, or shoulders. A device that staples 6 pieces of paper together by an intricate paper fold. A procedure that efficiently extracts wisdom teeth. A drone that can move in any direction. An underwater treadmill that helps your joints stay safe, healthy, and burn more calories. A traffic-efficient transportation module. A machine that combines fitness and virtual reality to create exciting and effective exercises. A pad that keeps protecting your feet effectively. An interactive wall that amazes you. A crash test that shows how Tesla Model X got a 5-star safety rating. A fancy fence system made up of a retractable driveway gate and an invisible walkway gate. A storytime projector for your phone. A technique that produces plastic replicas. A marimba playing robot that composes and hammers out its own tunes. Lightweight LED lashes that react to head and body movements. A projector that turns your desk into a touchscreen. A portable heart machine that saves lives in challenging conditions. A drone that flies safely indoors. A bridge that is foldable and relocatable. A device that carbonates any drinks directly in the bottle. A vehicle that gently conveys blueberries into a lug. A waterproof backpack that fits in your pocket. A smartphone case that integrates a pistol. An elevator that moves both vertically and horizontally. A rainbow color changing hair dye that changes based on your body temperature. A lightweight device that lets swimmers breathe underwater for up to 10 minutes. A ring that lets you communicate your presence in a polite way. A silicone heart that beats almost like a human heart. A modular house that builds up itself within 8 minutes. A human-powered vertical transport system for increasingly growing cities.
Oh my God!
A device that brushes your teeth automatically in 10 seconds. A glove that translates sign language gestures into text. A liquid plastic which can be used to bond, build, fix, and fill almost anything. A platform that creates a multi-sensory immersive experience. Software that lets teachers bring the world into the classroom to help engage students with immersive lessons. It maps the physical classroom and places the 3D objects for students to observe and interact with. A robot that flies and lands a simulated Boeing 737. It is designed to function as a second pilot in a 2-crew aircraft, enabling reduced crew operations. A forklift that moves in all directions. It simplifies material handling within the warehouse, logistics, and production. A machine automatically collects eggs from the tray by moving them over knives that break and flare shell. Egg white and yolk flow into the distributor, which redirects separate white and yolk to substituted buckets. A spray that enables touch input on a wide variety of objects and surfaces. It uses electric field tomography and a software algorithm to read the press of your finger by measuring changes in the flow of electricity across a conductive surface. A vehicle that elevates itself at the push of a button and lets you avoid traffic jam. A facility that doubles your parking space, providing greater security than a locked garage. A smart parking system that determines the best parking lot and the path to that for the robot. An electric cart that lets you move a 20-ton trailer. A modular, fully electric, zero-emission concept vehicle system which relieves traffic congestion in crowded megacities. A dual-armed system that lets you lift payloads up to 400 pounds and move them dexterously with minimal effort. A printer that prints a hotel suite that includes 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a jacuzzi room with a giant 3D printed jacuzzi. A robot that can spray paint high interior walls 25% faster than 2 humans. A robot on wheels that can jump, spin, lean, and move outdoors. Swarming robots that feature a pair of wheels, a battery, a touch sensor, a gyroscope, and an optical sensor. A programming library to create multi-device experiments. An app that turns your Play-Doh creations into digital characters using an iPhone camera. A software that helps you draw like a professional graphic artist. Guesses what you're trying to draw. A system that makes medical training immersive and easy to understand through the use of virtual reality. A web app that generates a speech from a given text string.
Hi, I'm using a text-to-speech reading software. This works well.
Hi, I'm using a text-to-speech reading software. This works well.
A device that turns any food into caviar. A device that lets you easily make kebabs. A device that lets you generate a soft grated spread with a twist of your own hand. An electric pot that cooks automatically, which roasts food only using water that comes out of vegetables. A vending machine that creates custom salads. A device that collects clean water from the atmosphere, promises to provide up to 11 gallons of safe drinking water without an external power source, greenhouse gas emissions, or adverse environmental impacts. A machine that turns empty bottles into sand. A device that turns a week's worth of food waste into fertilizer within 24 hours. A reusable sponge that soaks up oil that could revolutionize oil spill and diesel cleanup. A system that makes renewable fuels from wet organic material such as food processing waste, animal waste, and human-generated waste. A device that lets you shoot fireballs from your empty hand. An indoor training facility provides you with the same discipline as on-hill riding with a controlled and safe environment. A headset that shows the user's face on its outside surface. A massive replica of Airbus A320 airline that has less than a pound weight and 16 feet wingspan. A light-emitting wall system that blends into surrounding architecture and reveals itself in articulate color forms. An input device of a tangible 6 degrees of freedom, which is inexpensive and intuitive to use. A series of materials that change their shapes based on what you program. A quadcopter with the wings that are strong, load-bearing, compliant, and durable. Miniature robots that can move around a human body. They come with an onboard battery, microcontroller, and wireless communications. A high-speed surface tracking and projection technique which operates at a speed of 1,000 frames per second. A super strong tape that works even underwater. An emergency escape tool that can be integrated into everyday life. An attachment that collects your dog's poo. An anti-gravity paint tray which ensures zero spills no matter how you hold it. A megaphone that recognizes your voice, analyzes the sentence structure, and automatically translates into 3 languages.
Please form a single line. 请排成一行. 한 줄로 서주세요.
A low-cost projector that makes 3D images and videos appear in the air, just like a hologram. An interactive living space, which makes you feel comfortable. An LED screen installed on the surface of an 828-meter, 220-story building. A car that is equipped with 42,000 LED lights. It is programmed with dynamic designs and able to react to music and movement. A projector that helps kids learn how to write letters and numbers, and trace and draw images. A life-saving buoy that can drive itself around in the water by remote control and quickly reaches a drowning person. A barrier made of 12 layers of bulletproof Kevlar and weighs only 55 pounds, which is successfully able to stop bullets from 9mm, .357 Magnum, and .44 Magnum pistols. A safety guard that prevents drivers and passengers from fatal accidents, absorbing and converting shock energy. A portable suction device that can save the life of an adult or child choking by clearing an airway. A 3D printed replica of the twins' shared head that helped surgeons prepare for complex surgical procedures. Thanks for watching!